Powerwash.com is a leading online retailer specializing in pressure washing equipment, accessories, and supplies. Founded with a mission to provide high-quality products and exceptional service to both professionals and homeowners, Powerwash.com offers a comprehensive range of pressure washers, surface cleaners, detergents, hoses, nozzles, and other related items. With a focus on innovation and customer satisfaction, they aim to make the process of cleaning and maintaining outdoor spaces more efficient and effective. Whether you're tackling a commercial job or sprucing up your home, Powerwash.com provides the tools and expertise needed to achieve outstanding results. The XJet M5 adjustable pressure washer nozzle is a revolutionary tool in the realm of pressure washing, renowned for its unique ability to inject and proportion chemicals directly into the water stream without passing through the pump, hose, or gun. This distinctive feature sets it apart from traditional chemical injection methods, offering unparalleled versatility and efficiency in cleaning applications. With the XJet M5's ability to inject and proportion chemicals directly into the water stream, users can achieve more efficient and effective cleaning results in less time. By eliminating the need for manual mixing and multiple passes over surfaces, the XJet M5 helps streamline the cleaning process, ultimately saving both time and labor costs.
Why choose Powerwash.com? Well, did you know we were founded over 50 years ago by the Hinderleiter family, and we're still owned and operated by the pioneers in this space. Our vision since day one has been to empower an industry to help DIY, contract, and professional cleaners succeed. Well, how do we do that? That's through wonderful equipment, amazing supplies, world-class service, and wonderful, amazing training from our Powerwash Academy. All those things combined together to make us unique in the industry and to help you succeed. So how do you get those resources? It's simple. Reach out to us at info@powerwash.com or call us 1-800-433-2113. Our service account representatives have been doing this for a very long time, and they're here to help you answer your questions, get you what you need, stay within your budget, but most importantly, we're here to help you succeed.
The XJet M5 excels in a wide range of real-world pressure washing applications thanks to its versatility, efficiency, and customizable spray settings. Here are some scenarios where the XJet M5 shines: building exterior cleaning, roof cleaning, gutter cleaning, concrete and driveway cleaning, fence and deck cleaning, vehicle and equipment washing. Overall, the XJet M5's versatility and adaptability make it an indispensable tool for a wide range of pressure washing applications, from residential and commercial cleaning to industrial and municipal projects. Whether tackling tall structures, delicate surfaces, or stubborn stains, the XJet M5 delivers outstanding performance and efficiency, making it a favorite among professionals and DIYers alike. XJet Technologies has been the company pressure washing contractors and do-it-yourself. Homeowners have trusted to provide quality products that keep you on the ground, washing safely and effectively for more than 30 years. Performance-wise, the XJet M5 delivers exceptional results. Whether you're cleaning delicate surfaces or tackling tough stains on vertical structures, its extended vertical reach and ability to project chemicals up to 40 feet make it particularly well suited for cleaning tall buildings, roofs, and other elevated surfaces, enhancing safety and productivity. The extra nozzle is a contractor favorite, with its external injection system introducing cleaning agents by pulling them from a pail rather than exposing your pump, hose, gun lance, and fittings to harsh chemicals and reaching heights of up to 40 feet or more, depending on your machine. while also providing stronger ratios than typical downstream injectors when using the included color-coded proportioners available as the fixed original XJet and the adjustable XJet M5. Contractors cut labor time and save money on costly repairs on equipment by extracting for those who prefer the typical downstream wash methods. Contact Powerwash.com for your favorite pressure washing supply dealer to purchase the XJet Technologies line of products.